If you're planning a trip to Grenada and need a reliable internet connection, Airalo offers an eSIM that promises easy activation and seamless data access. I tested Airalo's Grenada eSIM to see how well it performs, from setup to real-world usage. First, purchasing the eSIM is straightforward. You select your destination, pick a plan, and check out. Activation is just as simple. After scanning the QR code, the eSIM installs in minutes, but you'll need an unlocked phone to use it. Once activated, I immediately check the network connection. Airalo partners with local carriers, but coverage isn't always consistent. In urban areas like St. George's, the connection was solid, but in more remote locations, signal strength dropped significantly. Speed tests in the city showed decent performance for browsing, streaming, and using navigation apps, but in some areas, there was noticeable lag. If you plan to rely on this for work or video calls, be prepared for occasional slowdowns. Data pricing is reasonable compared to local SIM cards, but the cost per gigabyte is still higher than what you'd pay with a physical SIM. Airalo's convenience comes at a premium, but for short-term travelers who don't want to deal with local SIM registration, it's a hassle-free option. Customer support is available via chat and email, but responses aren't always instant, which can be frustrating if you run into activation issues. Ever been stuck without internet abroad? With Airalo, that's history. eSIM gets you online in seconds. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Another downside is that Airalo's plans are strictly data-only. There's no local phone number for calls or texts. This isn't an issue for those who rely on WhatsApp or other VoIP services, but if you need a local number for reservations or business, a traditional SIM might be the better choice. Battery drain is another thing to consider. Since the eSIM constantly searches for the best network, I notice slightly faster battery consumption compared to using a local SIM. This isn't a deal breaker, but it's worth keeping in mind if you're traveling without easy access to charging. Overall, Airalo's Grenada eSIM is a convenient solution for travelers looking for quick and easy connectivity. It works well in most populated areas, is simple to install, and eliminates the need for physical SIM swapping. However, if you need the absolute best coverage, the most cost-effective data, or a local number, you may want to explore other options. If this review helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more honest travel tech reviews.